Question number 1. The concept of directive principle of state policy in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from? Option number C. Ireland. 2. DPSP are structurally enumerated in which specific part of the Indian Constitution? Option number C. Part 4. 3. The directive principle of state policy span across which group of articles? Option number B. Articles 36 to 51. 4. Which of the following descriptions best defines the legal nature of DPSP? Option number B. Non-justiciable in nature. Question number 5. Who described the directive principles as a new feature of the Indian Constitution? Option number A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. 6. DPSP aim to establish which kind of model state in India? Option number C. Welfare state. 7. The fundamental purpose of DPSP is to ensure which forms of justice for citizens? Option number C. Social and economic justice. 8. Who metaphorically remarked that DPSP is like a check on a bank payable at the convenience of the bank? Option number D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. 9. Which article declares that DPSP are fundamental in the governance of the country? Option number B. Article 37. 10. The basic definition of the term state under Part 4 is identical to the one in Part 3 as per Article 36. Option number A is the right answer. 11. Which article directs the state to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people? Option number C. Article 38. 12. Protection against the concentration of wealth and securing equal pay for equal work for both men and women is under? Option number B. Article 39. 13. Which article ensures equal justice and free legal aid to the poor and weaker section? Option number A. Article 39A. 14. Organization of village panchayats as units of self-government is a Gandhian principle under? Option number B. Article 40. 15. The right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases of unemployment is provided under which article? Option number C. Article 41. 16. Prohibition for just and human condition of work and maternity relief is guaranteed under? Option number B. Article 42. 17. The promotion of cottage industries in rural areas on an individual or cooperative basis is guided by? Option number C. Article 43. 18. Securing the participation of workers in the management of industries is directed under? Option number A. Article 43A. 19. The promotion of voluntary formation and democratic control of cooperative societies is under? Option number B, Article 43B. 20. The state's duty to prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs harmful to health is under. Option number B, Article 47. 21. Which milestone article directs the state to secure a uniform civil code for all citizens? UCC. Easy question. Option number C is the correct answer. Article 44. 22. Provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years is under. Option number C, Article 45. 23. Organization of agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines is directed by. Option number C, Article 48. 24. Prohibition of the slaughter of cows, calves and other milch cattle is derived from. Option number C, Article 48. 25. Protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forests and wildlife is directed under. Option number A, Article 48A. 26. Protection of monuments, places and objects of national and historic importance is under. Option number B, Article 49. 27. Which article directs the state to separate the judiciary from the executive in public services? Option number C, Article 50. 28. The promotion of international peace and security and maintaining just relationship between nations is under. Option number C, Article 51. 29. Which Constitutional Amendment Act added Articles 39F, 39A, 43A and 48A to Part 4? Option number A, 42nd Amendment Act 1976. 30. Article 38 was amended to add the clause to minimize inequalities in income, status and opportunity by the. Option number B, 44th Amendment Act 1978. 31. The 86th Amendment Act of 2002 changed the subject matter of which DPSP article? Option number C, Article 45. 32. Article 43B relating to cooperative societies was officially inserted by which amendment? Option number D, 97th Amendment. 33. In which landmark case did the Supreme Court rule that fundamental right prima facie possesses supremacy over DPSP? Option number A, Champakam Dorairajan case 1951. 34. In which case did the Supreme Court declare that the Indian Constitution is founded on the bedrock of balance between Part 3 and Part 4? Option number C, Minerva Mills case 1980. 35. The absolute primacy of DPSP over fundamental rights listed in Articles 14 and 19 is restricted only to. Option number B, Article 39B and 39C. 36. Which constitutional amendment introduced Article 31C to protect certain socialistic DPSPs from judicial review? Option number B, 25th Amendment Act. 37. promotion of educational and economic interest of SCs and STs and other weaker sections is under? Option number C, Article 46. 38. The implementation of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 fulfills the constitutional obligation of? Option number B, Article 42. 39. The introduction of the Manrega scheme to provide guaranteed rural employment serves the directive of? Option number B, Article 41. And the last question, the establishment of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission directly reflects the philosophy of? Option number C, Article 43. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the video. Thank you.